your drone charts really helped me. That essay standards and auditing. I mean, it was literally a visual image when I was studying that. Okay, this side this will come. This side the responsibilities. This side the your tips.
Easy पड़ा मुझे इस बार ड्रोन चार्ट्स की मदद ली मैंने अदर ऑडिट्स और प्रोफेशनल एथिक्स और कंपनी ऑडिट में.
वो ड्रोन चार्ट्स एंड ऑल से पढ़ने से इट वाज वेरी हेल्पफुल क्योंकि विजुअलाइज हो जाता है काफी कुछ A3 में से पढ़ने से साइड है एंड यू नो सो इट हेल्प्स.
How drone charts were helping me write all those keywords in the theory questions which an examiner would expect and help me securing good marks in my paper.
When it comes to audit, I truly believe that the chart books that I used for say studying and all the revisions that I did have truly helped me score an exemption in audit.
I could cover almost 85 to 88% using your drone charts. So thanks a lot, sir, for those drone charts as well.